In this video, I will show you 7 of the best stocks to invest in for long-term growth. These are not just cheap stock picks. These are companies that can give you value if you hold them for years. So, if you're a new viewer, you are welcome. This channel is where we discuss investment matters. I try to break it down in the most simplest form so all my viewers can understand. So join this community by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Now, let's get into it. 7 best stocks to invest in for long term. Number 1 is Honeywell Flour Mills, currently trading at just 22 naira. Let me tell you something about this company. Honeywell is in the food business, and food is something people can never stop buying. Bread, pasta, flour, these are everyday products in almost all Nigerians' home. And at just 22 naira per share, Honeywell is not just affordable, but also positioned for long-term growth. As Nigerians' population keep increasing, food demand will rise, and companies like Honeywell will benefit from that. If you are building a portfolio for the future, this one stock, Honeywell, is a buy for you, a buy to hold for long term. A 100,000 naira to buy this Honeywell share will give you about 4,525 shares of Honeywell. It is a stock you should keep in your portfolio for long-term gains. And stock number 2 from our list of the 7 best stocks to invest in for long time is Champion Breweries. Current price is 13.75 naira. That is 13 naira 75 kobo. You know, beer is big business in Nigeria. From social events, beer flows like water. And Champion Breweries may not be as big as Guinness yet. Guinness is still number 1 in the beer business. But Champion Breweries is growing. It has a growing footprint in Nigeria right now. And at just 13.75 naira, 13 naira 75 kobo per share, these stocks gives you entry into a sector that always has demand. And for a long time, as more young people enter the working class and the nice life continues to boom, Champion Breweries have a lot of room to grow. And with 100,000 naira invested to buy shares of this of Champion Breweries, you are getting about 7,272 shares of Champion Breweries. My number 3 pick from the 7 best stocks to invest in for long term is the Initiate PLC, currently trading at just 14.60 naira. That is 14 naira 60 kobo. This one is completely different. The Initiate PLC is into industrial waste management, and they also do environmental services. Just think about it. As industries grows, you need to manage waste properly, also grows. And Nigeria is slowly becoming more aware of environmental standards. And company like TIP, the Initial PLC, will definitely be the one to benefit in the long run. And at just 14.60, this is an affordable stock in a sector that many people overlook, but has massive long-term potential. A 100,000 naira invested to buy the Initial PLC will give you around 6,849 shares of the Initiate PLC. Number 4 of our 7 best stocks to invest in for long term is Fidson Healthcare. Healthcare is one of the strongest sectors for long-term investments. Fidson is currently trading at 42.90. That is about 43 naira. And Nigeria spend billions every year on medicine, on healthcare. And that number will only go up as population increase. This company, Fidson, is already a leader in the pharmaceutical industry. And at just 42.90 per share, you are buying into a company that has consistent demand. Medicines are not optional. People need them. That makes Fidson one of the safer long-term plays in the Nigerian stock market. So this is a hold for your long-term play. A 100,000 naira invested to buy Fidson share today will give you about 2,331 shares of Fidson Healthcare. This is a long-term play. Our Nigerian stocks number 5 is UPDC PLC. Real estate has always been a smart way to build wealth, but most Nigerians think you need a lot of money, you need billions to start real estate. And that is not true. UPDC PLC is a property development company. It's currently trading at just 6.61. 6 naira 61 kobo. 6.61 per share. And for a long time, as city expand and more people move into urban areas, real estate companies will keep growing. And buying UPDC PLC now is like taking a small step into Nigeria's booming property sector without having a lot of money. And with this share price, with 100,000 naira to buy UPDC share, we get about 15,128 shares of UPDC. Number 6 is Smurfit. This is our penny stock pick, and current price is just 0.72. That is 72 kobo. At only 72 kobo per share, Smurfit is extremely cheap, but cheap doesn't mean it has no value. This company has been working on turning things around, and if it succeeds, long-term investors who got in early will see big gains. The risk is higher right now, but the reward potential is also higher. That is why I always say, only put a small part of your money into penny stocks. Think of Smurfit, this share, as your high risk, high reward play for the future. A 100,000 naira invested into Smurfit share at just 0.72 kobo. We give you about 138,888 shares of Smurfit. You're getting a lot of shares there. High risk, high reward play. Number 7 is Neimeth Pharmaceuticals. Neimeth is another healthcare stock that is perfect for long-term investors. At just 6 naira per share, it is one of the cheapest on our list. But don't let the price fool you. Neimeth makes affordable drugs that everyday Nigerians buy. And healthcare is a sector that never goes out of style. And Neimeth has the potential to grow steadily over the years. For long term, this stock will blow up. So if you are building your long-term portfolio, Neimeth should be inside that portfolio. And for 6 naira, a 100,000 naira invested into Neimeth shares will give you about 16,666 Neimeth shares. So those are my personal 7 best stocks to invest in for a long time. All the stocks mentioned are in my personal portfolio. and they have been performing so excellently. The key thing here is patience. Stocks we have mentioned here are not get rich quick schemes, but if you invest in them and give them time, you could build serious wealth. Always remember, diversify your portfolio. Invest what you can afford to hold and think long term. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe and share with your friends who want to invest or who is already investing in stocks. Thank you again, and I see you in my next video.